Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cream nozzle updated. Start by gathering food-safe silicone or a stainless steel tip, measuring tools, and clean piping bags. Sanitize everything before touching cream. Choose stabilized whipped cream or buttercream and chill it so it holds shape while you form the nozzle. Work steadily and test flow on parchment paper, adjusting tip opening for desired patterns and cleaning between trials. Begin forming the nozzle by gently warming silicone to make shaping easier, or choose a preformed stainless tip for instant use. Cut the aperture carefully, checking width against desired pattern sizes and smoothing sharp edges with fine tools. Always test the nozzle immediately with chilled cream on parchment, observe flow, and make tiny adjustments until you achieve clean, repeatable lines or rosettes without air pockets or splatter. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical updates. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes cleanup effortless with voice control and smart mapping, so you spend less time sweeping and more time piping perfect swirls. It's a fun upgrade to your kitchen routine. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Maintain your custom nozzles by rinsing out cream residue immediately, then washing with warm soapy water and drying completely to prevent bacterial growth. Label and store tips, flat to keep shapes intact, and avoid stacking heavy items on silicone nozzles. Practice consistent piping pressure on scrap sheets to build muscle memory, and adjust cream temperature or nozzle aperture if lines spread or break, ensuring reliable results for every decorating session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.